Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard yolk eggs. Achieving that perfectly firm, golden yolk is simpler than you might think. We'll cover everything from selecting your eggs to the final peel, ensuring a consistent result every time. Get ready to master this kitchen staple, whether for salads, sandwiches, or just a quick snack. Let's dive into the steps for consistently delicious hard-boiled eggs. Once your eggs are in the pot, bring the water to a full, rolling boil. As soon as it reaches this point, gently lower your eggs into the water using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. Maintain a steady boil for 10 to 12 minutes. This time frame is crucial for achieving that perfectly firm, non-rubbery yolk you're aiming for. Don't overcrowd the pot, give each egg space. After boiling, immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps prevent the greenish ring around the yolk. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. When you're ready to peel, gently tap the egg on a hard surface, then roll it to create small cracks. Peeling under cold running water can make the shells slide off much more easily. For best results, store your peeled hard-boiled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Unpeeled eggs can last even longer, up to 2 weeks. Remember, fresh eggs can be harder to peel, so slightly older eggs are often preferred for boiling. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that could truly change your financial perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.